Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Rieti, Italy. It's one of the oldest towns in all of Italy, and it's got this wall. It's also where Kobe Bryant grew up. So let me show you some stuff. Okay, let's take a look. All right, everybody, this is the city wall right here, and it's pretty amazing. And I'm gonna go this way to the entrance. But it's pretty cool. And again, Kobe Bryant grew up here. I think he was born in America, but I think he and his family moved over here, and I think his dad played basketball in Italy, but I don't know all the ins and outs to all this stuff. But here's a sign. Cool. And you can see how long the walls are. They go way, 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 way down there. Crazy. And so I'm going to stick my head in here in Old Town. And we'll go walk around a little bit. And you can get to see Rieti. And I'm sure, as always, I'm pronouncing this wrong. But we will see. Lugo es Georgia. Libro acceso. I guess that's not my entrance. Free entrance. Oh, maybe this is it up here. And it's a cute little town, kind of in the mountains, but not on top of a mountain, but cute. Those walls are amazing. It's nice that they're all intact. You know how Rome has pieces of it, but this has the whole thing, so it's kind of cool. And again, I haven't had a lot of time to research all of these spots, so I don't know exactly if I'm coming in the right entrance or the wrong entrance, or but I'll show you what I show you. My initial walkthrough, I guess that's what we'll call this. The Rieti initial walkthrough. Cute. And a church. I want to see the old town now. Little sidewalks for sure. Oop, scusi. Who knows? Maybe there's just walls. But I think there's some kind of tower and some kind of porto, which is like an entrance or a gate or something. And then I don't have any idea, everybody. So look at the little streets. I'm hoping around this corner there's something to see. Maybe. Hmm. Let's see here. Let me look at my stuff here. Um, yeah, I don't know. Little fountain. I'm just trying to find the sites. Maybe it's just that wall. Maybe this little square will show us a little bit more here. Because these is like modern buildings, but there's something over there. Aha. That helps a little bit. And that does too. Let me turn this corner and look right. Because I did see a tower earlier. Okay, well there's no tower that way. So I think I'm going this way. Cute little balcony. And I don't know what this is. Maybe this is the right way to Old Town. Yeah. All right. Let me do some reading real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so again, I don't know. And looking on the map, if you don't know what the names of the places are, you don't know what's what. But, But I see a tower up there. So let's go that way. Walk along this little street here. And then go left. Parking, oh my gosh. So I ordered a small car, a little, like just a little two-door midget thing so I'd have better economy and better parking and all that stuff. And I got a Jeep Renegade four-door extended like Bronco Jeep SUV type thing. So it was kind of crazy. It's a cute little town. But I think I need to go up this. Look at this thing here. Because that looks like it's going somewhere. So, hang on a second. Let me see if I can figure out something. All right. Well, I think there's a diocese up here. And, I don't know. I look on the map and everything else. And it looks like a lot of the things, like I mentioned, the ark, the entrance, the other things in the wall, they all seem to be kind of like connected to the wall. And so it's, maybe that's what the claim to fame is the big wall. But let's see where this takes us. Certainly a little climb. I love the architecture. And there's supposed to be a fountain and cute. And more cute. Let me look out here on this corner. Nope, that's all modern and new. Amazing. Let's go this way. And what's this way? More houses. Maybe this is Old Town here. looks like an old building. Wow. Archdeposito Papal. Wow. Cool. What's this say about it? Anything in English? Nothing in English. Let's go this way. I love the arches.
Qualunque cosa più pur di recarsi dagli miei. Perché? Perché ha mandato
Maybe this is a representation of Old Town or something?
ma lui ci prova. Il motivo per il quale Giovanni Paolo II lo ha nominato.
Cute. Anything in English? The nativity scenes of Francesco. The monumental nativity scenes created in the Master Francesco in 2018. So, okay, so nothing real crazy over the top here.
Lo fa rotolare nel roveto ardente, gli invia delle prostitute in
But I love
per stimolare la sua
the ceilings and stuff.
desiderio sessuale.
Francesco from Rieti. Francesco from Rieti stopped the Holy okay, the deep connection of Rieti and the heavens and beginning 8 centuries ago. Okay. Let me stick my head through this door here. This courtyard looks really cute over here. And this is Chiesa de something. Oh, look at this little courtyard. Amazing. Huh. All right, I'll be right back. All right. And I don't know what's in here. I don't even know if we can go anywhere in here. But it says the Salon Papal Unifico Scuola. Is that a school? Maybe this is a school and not. Yeah, interesting. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so there wasn't much in that little church building school thing, but this looks like a church over here with a tower. Pretty amazing. Huh. Is this church open or is it not open? It's got a statue. Oh, this is pretty cool. Let's go this way. Chiesa Cathedral. Chiesa, I know, I get yelled at for that all the time. The first residents of the city of the cathedral back to 598. They were located near the Roman walls, blah, blah, blah. Hippos. If it's open. If it's open. And looks like it's under construction a little bit. feeling we're not going to find Caravaggio or Michelangelo or Bernini or others in here. And it looks like they're really working on restoring it and stuff too. Huh. And it looks like maybe it's a school too or something, I don't know. All right, everybody. Well, I think we're going to call this done right here. I don't know, unless I see something else on the way out. I got other places to get to, and I got a late start. So thanks for coming this far. Bye, everybody. All right, everybody. I found another scenic view, and I thought I'd just show you what it looks like from up here. And all the roofs look about the same color, which is kind of cute. And this is an overview of the city. Cool. But the tower looks pretty good. And this building over here looks pretty interesting too. Okay, everybody. You know, I feel like I miss not having a week to investigate and see the sights, but life on a road trip. Okay, moving on. Bye, everybody. All right, so this is one of the highlights, is the dolphin fountain. So that's this thing right here. And it's in this square. Which is pretty cool. Pretty modern building here. And it looks like the street goes on that way. So there's probably a lot more to see. I am absolutely sure of it. I just, it's not an easy get to. Anyway, thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye.